Hello, my name is Mr. Alston. I will be presenting today on the foundations of a healthy relationship in our health lesson today. So let us begin. Now, the foundations of a healthy relationship for my 11th grade health class. Now, let's talk about the relationships in your life and the definition of a relationship. A relationship is a bond or connection that you share with other people. Now, the types of relationships that you guys might have in your lives are your friends, your family, and a significant other. So you maybe see your parents with their husbands or wives, or your grandparents, things like that. And your coworkers are even considered a relationship that you may have. Now, relationships with your family are special because they are typically the first relationships that you form, and they're a foundation for the relationship that you will build on from that point. Now, people in your family may include, of course, your parents, siblings, grandparents, especially if they live in the house, they have a very big part of your foundation, your cousins, uncles, aunts, things of that nature. Now, in a healthy family, these relationships help to strengthen our health triangle. And our health triangle is made out of three components. It's the physical, the social, and the emotional. Now, how can our family relationships aid in strengthening our health triangle? Okay, very good, very good. They provide us with food, shelter. Very good. Let's move on. Now, our relationships with our friends are also important. Now, friendships is better known as a relationship between two people that is based on trust, caring, and consideration. Now, I want you guys to be careful because some friendships that you guys think you may have are not healthy relationships if they are not based in trust, caring, and consideration for each other. Now, how do we typically choose our friends? Typically, we may choose by common interests, age group, shared beliefs, proximity, like where you live, and honestly, you may be in a different age group from your friends. Now, a good friend is someone who's going to help you improve your self-esteem and resist harmful behaviors. And you also form relationships in your community by being a citizen. The citizenship is the way that you conduct yourself as a member of the community. Now, how would you define community? I myself define community as the immediate place that you are in. It can be your church group, it can be your school, it could be anything. It could just be your neighborhood if you guys are very close there. And how does your citizenship in your community influence your health triangle? Well, these people also, like your family, are an extension, can be an extension. They will help you to form stronger relationships, longer lasting relationships with people maybe outside of your comfort zone, outside of your community. And what makes a good citizen? Yes, that is definitely someone who may be a law-abiding by the creed and the standards set by that specific community. Now, everybody, I'd like to thank you very much for the attention that you gave me through this presentation. Have a great day, and don't forget to check your notes, okay? There's going to be a test on this coming up. Thank you very much.